Hi children, now we are going to learn multiplication fact. This you should know. When we think of multiplication, number 0 is very important. Any number multiplied by 0 is 0 and the 0 multiplied by any number gives you 0. That you must always remember. Alright? So we are going to do multiplication facts. Multiplication facts. Okay, now let's look very carefully. Now, I said 0. So, 0 into 1 is equal to 0. You multiply 0, any number you will only get 0. That you must remember. Okay. Now, if you say 1 multiplied by 0, it's also same. Now let's 5 into 3 is 15 and the multiplication fact is 3 into 5 is also 15. 3 into 5 is also 15. Alright. Next we will do 2. 2 into, what is 2 into 5? 2 into 5 is same as 5 into 2. The same answer, 2 into 5 is same as 5 into 2. What is the answer? 5 2s are 10. 2 5s are 10. Alright, that is called multiplication fact. Okay, now let's take 3. 3 into 4 is same as 4 into 3. What is 3 into 4? 12. What is 4 into 3? Also 12. You get that? Next, let's take number 5. 5 into 4. Or let's say 5 into 0. What is 5 into 0? Is same as 0 into 5. 5 into 0 is same as 0 into 5. And what is the answer? 0. Any number multiplied by 0 is 0. Now, let's take 6. What is 6 into 3? Is same as 3 into 6. 3 into 6. What is 3 into 6? Is same as 6 into 3. What is the answer? 6 3s are 18. Alright. Now, let's take another number. Let's take number 4. 4. What is 4 into 5? That is same as 5 into 4. 5 into 4. 5 4s are 20. Now, let's look at 9. Take another number, 9. What is 9 into 3? 9 into 3 is same as 3 into 9. What is 3 into 9? 27. Alright, 10. Let's take number 10. What is 10 into 5? 10 into 5 is same as 5 into 10. 5 into 10 into 10. 10 fives are 50. Now this is multiplication fact. 0 into 1 is same as 1 into 0. 5 into 3 is same as 3 into 5. 2 into 5 is same as 5 into 2. 3 into 4 is same as 4 into 3. 5 into 0 is same as 0 into 5. 6 into 3 is same as 3 into 6. 4 into 5 is same as 5 into 4. 9 into 3 is same as 3 into 9. 10 into 5 is same as 5 into 10. This is called multiplication facts. Now, 7 into 0. What is 7 into 0? Is same as 0 into 7. What is 7 into 0? 0, same. Alright. Now, let's say 9 into 1 is equal to 9, and that is same as 1 into 9, whether it is 9 into 1 or 1 into 9. Now, let's say 3 into 6 is same as 6 into 3. What is that? What is 6 into 3? 18. Let's say 7 into 2 is same as 2 into 7. 7 twos are 14. 7 twos are 14. Now, let's say 6. 6 into 5 is same as 5 into 6. 6 fives are 30. Good. Alright. Now let's take 5. 5 into 3 is same as 3 into 5. 3 fives are 15. 3 fives are 15 is same as 5 into 3 is the same as 3 into 5. Now, 9. 9 into 3 is same as 3 into 9. 9 threes are 27. 9 threes are 27. What did we learn today? We learned the multiplication facts. What is 7 into 0? Is same as 0 into 7. 9 into 1 is same as 1 into 9. 3 into 6 is same as 6 into 3. 7 into 2 is same as 2 into 7. And 6 into 5 is same as 5 into 6. 5 into 3 is same as 3 into 5. 9 into 3 is same as 9 into 3 into 9. Now supposing I say 2 into 8 is same as 8 into 2. 8 into 2. So what is 2 into 8? 16. So we learned today the multiplication facts. Any number multiplied by 0 is 0. 7 into 0 is 0. 0 into 7 is 0. 1 into 0 is 0. 0 into 1 is 0. Any number, you have to think any number multiplied by 0 is 0. Any 0 multiplied by any number is also 0. So today we learned multiplication facts for us to remember.